में सीईओ में डाल रहे हैं। दोस्तों, आज जो प्रोडक्ट हम लोग लॉन्च कर रहे हैं वो एश्योर कैटेगरी में हम लोग लॉन्च कर रहे हैं और वो प्रोडक्ट है एश्योर नाइट केयर जेल क्रीम। दोस्तों, ये प्रोडक्ट क्यों बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है और इसको की क्या खास बात है उसको बताने के लिए आज हमारे साथ एक स्पेशल गेस्ट है। स्पेशल गेस्ट जो है डॉक्टर ज्योति अनेजा, जो एक डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट हैं। दोस्तों, मैं उनको बुलाऊं बट उससे पहले मैं इनवाइट करना चाहूंगा मिस कंवल को।
Good morning, Vestigians. Thank you, Deepak sir, for launching this wonderful product. And thank you, Dr. Jyoti, for joining us today on this occasion. Let me tell you, friends, today we have Dr. Jyoti with us. She is going to talk about a skincare regime you should follow every day. Let me tell you once, Dr. Aneja is a well-known celebrity dermatologist. She is a medical director and chief at La Grace Skin Clinic and a visiting consultant at Nanavati Super Speciality Hospitals in Mumbai. So once again, let me welcome Dr. Jyoti Aneja.
Thank you so much. Thank you for the kind introduction, Kanwal. Thanks a lot. I'm so happy to be back with all of you all.
So ma'am, आजकल हम सभी बहुत लोग ये डिस्कस करते हैं कि टाइम नहीं है अपनी स्किन केयर के लिए, टाइम नहीं है। तो tell us, we all led a very busy schedule, and what are the basic skincare we can follow every day?
See, Kanwal, first off, I would just like to correct that statement. I think आजकल के टाइम में तो हम बोल ही नहीं सकते कि टाइम नहीं है, because टाइम ही टाइम है। So, but having said that, yes, I understand that skincare is not a priority for a lot of us. So, like we say, prevention is better than cure. So, skincare in the early age prevents you from a lot of damage in the later stages of life. और हम graceful aging जिसको बोलते हैं, you know, we all want to age. Age is something जिसको हम रोक नहीं सकते. It's going to be a constant. But we all want to be the best version of ourselves at every age, right? So we just want to look our best. We don't want to look younger primarily, मतलब हमें young नहीं लगना है, but you want to look good for your age, right? So skin is very important because it's paramount. उसके बिना कोई चीज हम शुरू नहीं कर सकते जब तक हमारा कैनवस क्लीन नहीं होगा, हम एक अच्छी पेंटिंग नहीं बना सकते. So स्किन केयर की जब हम बात करते हैं तो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज होती है हमारा क्लेंजर. Basic skincare में we cannot go without a cleanser. It will clean your face of all the impurities. Then we have a moisturizer. So in a day care routine, we will say कि हमें एक SPF, एक sunscreen लगाना बहुत जरूरी होता है. And a night care routine हमारा जो SPF है, that is swapped by a night cream. So basically अगर मैं simple रखूँ तो एक cleansing, moisturizing और sunscreen का schedule हम रात दिन का रखते हैं और एक cleansing and एक night cream, eye cream का schedule हम रात का रखते हैं.
Right. So, doctor, tell us something about what is a night care regime and why it is so important.
So, night care regime, Kanwal, is something जो हमें heal करने में help करती है. So, basically हम क्या करना चाह रहे हैं? Anything that you are applying on your face दिन के time पे, जो भी हम सुबह में use करते हैं, that is to protect us. Right? So basic difference मैं आपको दोनों चीजों में बताऊं. So a day care regime is to protect us and a night care regime is to repair us. Right? Okay. So दिन के time, because we are exposed to chemicals, we are exposed to pollutants, you want to put makeup काम पे जाने से पहले, then आप दिन भर बाहर रहते हो, pollution में रहते हो, obviously you're stressed out and you know there's a lot of damage that is happening onto your skin and obviously sun damage that is happening. Right? So उसको prevent करने के लिए जो भी हम लगाते हैं, that is more of a protective layer onto your skin. Also, you want your skin to have a little glow when you're going out. Probably you want to have a little tint of, you know, जैसे हम BB creams लगाते हैं जहाँ हमारा face थोड़ा even tone लगे. You just want to put bare minimal makeup. So whatever you're putting in the morning is protecting you, right? And whatever you in the night is repairing you. Because रात का टाइम ऐसा होता है जब हमारी स्किन रिपेयर करती है, our whole body for that matter, you know, एक circadian rhythm कहते हैं, biological clock कहते हैं जिसको, जो हमारी स्किन भी like the rest of our body follow करती है. हम कोई भी मशीन, any machine भी for that matter, आप air condition ले लीजिए, television ले लीजिए, कुछ भी आप दिन भर यूज करते हो ना, तो your parents always tell you, बेटा इसको थोड़ा आराम दे दो.
Right.
को बंद कर दो. So the same thing is with your body, you know. So जब हम सोते हैं, जब हमारी biological clock के हिसाब से हम बोलते हैं early to bed, early to rise, you are resting in these times. So basically आप rest कर रहे हैं mentally, but physically your body is hyperactive and it is working on a repair mode where it is repairing you of all the damage that is done to you in the daytime, right? So basically आप जो भी क्रीम अपनी फेस पे रात में लगाएंगे, once you clean your face and you apply your cream, it will hydrate your skin, it will nourish your skin, because any which ways the skin is nourishing you and healing you from inside. So whatever you're putting on top of that is just supplementing that process and just making it easier for us.
That's right. So that is why the night creams are so important. Okay. So, doctor, there are certain myths, you know, people have it with the day cream and the night cream. So they think why day creams and the night creams are different. So, और ये दोनों हमें separately क्यों treat करना चाहिए अपने regime को? तो can you please explain, like this is a separate regime altogether, and from what age you should start doing, you should follow these routines?
Like I just spoke to you, you know, a day cream is to protect you and a night cream is to repair you, right? So जब हम दिन में जो क्रीम लगाते हैं उसको हम रात को लगा के सोएंगे. बेसिक एनालॉजी में अगर आपको देती हूँ, whenever you're going to bed हम नाइट सूट क्यों पहनते हैं? You can very well go to bed in जो सुबह के कपड़े थे उनमें हम सो सकते हैं. Nothing will go wrong really. Right, but you will always sleep better when you're wearing a comfortable night suit, when you're in your bed, in your comfortable position. That will just put you off to sleep better, right? So अगर हम अपनी skin को एक nourishing, hydrating product से enrich करेंगे रात के time पे, so when you wake up in the morning, you're going to feel fresher, you're going to look better, right? So there is a different time, like you said, you know, daytime and nighttime, the circadian rhythm is different. Your skin feels differently. रात को हम पूरा time, most of us are sleeping in air conditions. हमारी skin dehydrate हो जाती है. Your oil glands, your sebaceous activity is decreased at. So when you hydrate your skin, you are supplementing it with some nourishment overnight. You will obviously wake up with a better looking face. And you know, who does not want to look their best when they wake up in the morning?
Yeah. So doctor, tell us, what is the right age to start the night creams?
See, beta, depends upon what kind of night creams that we're using. If you're talking about a basic protective cream, which is antioxidants and vitamins, basically anytime after the age of 25 is a good idea. You know, because all of us most of us for that matter, are working by the age of 25, or at least are active in the kitchens at the age of 25. And those fine lines, wrinkles start cropping up here and there. Some pigment spots here and there, age spots start happening. So you want to repair. You want to go back. So anytime after 25 is a good idea.
Okay. So also tell us, like mostly people think that, you know, night creams are only for females. So is this right or a myth, or is this wrong?
आपका जवाब आपके सवाल में ही है. Night creams are only for females. It's like saying that only females have skin. Right. So it's most definitely not only for females. It is absolutely आजकल के time में when we have all metrosexual males around us, I think in my practice I see 50% men and 50% women. Awareness levels are very high. Everybody wants to look their best, be it a man, be it a woman. I think with the competitive nature that we all have, I don't think there's any such thing as skincare for men and women. Yes, the products will vary most of the times, because male skin is slightly thicker than a female skin, and but there is no way that you can say that skincare is only for females. Absolutely, it's a myth.
So also tell us, should we apply a night cream daily, or we can, you know, it's on a alternate days, या हम कभी-कभी लगाएं, या फिर हर रोज लगाने से ही हमें good results मिल सकते हैं?
कोई भी चीज जब हम रेगुलरली करते हैं, whenever we are doing something as a regular habit, the results are always going to be better. It's like brushing your teeth in the morning and at night. शुरू में हमें सिखाया जाता है सिर्फ मॉर्निंग में ब्रश कर लोगे तो अच्छा है. As we grow up, we realize the importance of brushing our teeth at night also. So one night if you don't brush your teeth are not going to decay the next day. अगले दिन हमारे दांत में कीड़ा नहीं लग जाएगा. But if you're regularly doing your bit and you're cleaning yourself, the chances of your having that problem are less, राइट. सो अगर हम अपनी क्रीम्स को एज अ पार्ट ऑफ आवर रूटीन लगा रहे हैं, डेली लगा रहे हैं, ऑब्वियसली द रिजल्ट्स आर गोइंग टू बी बेटर. बट अगर हम कोई मेडिकेटेड प्रिस्क्रिप्शन बेस्ड क्रीम्स यूज कर रहे हैं, योर डॉक्टर हैज पुट यू ऑन टू सम क्रीम्स जहाँ आपकी सेंसिटिव स्किन है, you're battling with acne, pigmentation, wherein the concentration of the creams is such जहाँ पे हमें उनको alternate day लगाना चाहिए. So until and unless your doctor tells you to use it alternate day, I think a night cream has to be applied. It's like a night cream. So night is like every night. There are no alternate nights. Right? There's a day and there's a night. So every night you have to apply your night.
बहुत सारे लोगों का ये भी सवाल होगा कि काफी लोग अभी तो शायद नहीं ट्रैवल कर रहे या कभी ट्रैवलिंग पे होते हैं या कभी हम भूल जाएं हमारी डेली लाइफ में. अगर हम किसी दिन नाइट क्रीम लगाना भूल जाएं, इज दिस एनी प्रॉब्लम या फिर इट इज ओके टू स्किप समटाइम्स?
Once in a while, if you forget it, it's absolutely all right. There is no problem at all, because we understand, you all want to travel light and you don't want to carry a vanity case with you everywhere you go. Although we're not talking about, हम कोई बहुत elaborate night care routine की बात नहीं कर रहे. We're talking about one cream. It's all in the mind, if you think ये मेरे लिए जरूरी है तो आप उसको अपने बैग में रखोगे. But if you think इसके बिना मेरा काम चल जाएगा and you're going for a short trip, you're going out like for a weekend getaway with friends, obviously you want to go easy, so it's totally okay. अगर आप 1-2 दिन अगर मिस कर देते हैं, there is not a big problem. But if it becomes a habit, yes, that's something I'm not going to avoid.
Okay. So Dr. Jyoti, you yourself have a very beautiful, glowing and nourished skin. So would you mind telling us what is your routine in the night for your skin?
My routine.
Wow. So, I'm a skincare specialist. So I am professionally committed to keeping my skin a certain way. And I think बहुत जल्दी ये चीज इंट्रोड्यूस हो गई थी मेरी लाइफ में because I was reading about it. So sunscreen got introduced to my life in my daycare regime at an early age. So I think that made a lot of difference. And for a night care regime, I keep it very simple. But जो नहीं करते हैं उनको थोड़ा सा it will look like a 5 minutes of an effort. But I use a gentle soap-free cleanser for my face. I take about 60 seconds and I massage my face with a cleanser only, because it just helps to degrease your skin, take away all the time from the day. 60 seconds लगते हैं पर वो करने में. And after that, I apply my eye cream and my face cream. And one very important tip that I would like to share with all of you all is your night care or your day care does not get over at the face. Please make sure जो भी हम face पे लगाते हैं, we continue it down to the neck, we continue it onto your hands, and we apply it onto your feet also. So I apply my night cream onto my hands as well as my feet, because that's the best thing. सारे दिन में, I'm a doctor, so we wash our hands so many times in a day. So I definitely love to keep my hands hydrated and moisturized, because as women, we all want our hands to be soft and supple. So yes, your face, your neck, your hands, and your feet. Absolutely, that's what I do. And normal petroleum jelly, a lip balm is what I put, and that's how I go off to bed.
That's so wonderful. So doctor, you have used our newly launched night cream, which is Assure Night Care Gel Cream. So tell us your experience. आपको कैसा लगा उसको use करके? How promising our product is, and would you recommend this to the people?
I think, I just sat down with this product so people actually know that I have actually tried this product, and I'm telling you this from experience. I think it's a beautiful product for a simple reason. It's very soft on your skin. So unlike most of the night creams, which are relatively heavy, this is a gel-based product. So what I like about it is really nice and hydrating and light on my skin at the same time. So I've used it for a couple of days and I enjoyed using it, and it is rich in vitamins and antioxidants. So I think it's a beautiful product and it's very promising. It's a humble cream. Most of the night creams in the market are very expensive. So half of the world does not use it, thinking कि तो बहुत महंगी है, तो थोड़ा साल रुक जाते हैं, अभी जरूरत नहीं है. So the best part about this product is it has been introduced at a very consumer friendly price, if I can say that, and जिससे कि ये एक it's very easily available to all of us, and having said that, there is no compromise on the ingredients. So that's what I like about it. I think it's a very promising product and I'll be happy to use it for a longer period of time myself.
Thank you so much, Dr. Jyoti. You have shared a lovely conversation to our distributors, and it is wonderful to have you here. And thank you so much again for sharing your routine and telling us enlightening us हमारे को night care, day care में difference बताने के लिए और how important it is for our skin. Thank you.
Thank you so much for having me. Take care. Bye.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your participating in this event, and now this innovative product is available to your nearest locations. Please go and buy this product and try it. Wish you well.